Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, GPU mining, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, using the credit cards to get the rewards back on cryptocurrency, all kinds of information. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. Basically, what's going on with that? Why is it on an uptick? How's it working? So we're going to dig into that. We're also going to talk a little bit about the AMP coin a little bit, just hit that a little bit. So do me a favor, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So I always talk about, can you imagine when everybody on the planet is actually going to have cryptocurrency? Just like everybody has dollars and quarters and nickels and different currency. Can you imagine when everybody has cryptocurrency? You're talking to your uncle, you're talking to your aunt, you're talking to everybody at the football party, and they're all talking about the Dogecoin and the different Litecoin and all the different coins that they have purchased over the years, and they've 10x and 15x on these coins over the years. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig into a little cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and head over to Shiba Inu. All right, we're over here at Cointelegraph. It says Shiba Inu, Shiba DEX, ShibaSwap surpasses 1 billion TVL 24 hours after the launch. 24 hours after the launch, new ShibaSwap DeFi platform surpasses 1 billion. It's raising the fees on the Ethereum network. So guess what? There could be a new sheriff in town on this one, because this is pretty big. $1 billion with the B. That's a lot of money here. So let's go ahead here. It says Dogecoin has proven the world has its even project staked as a joke and can gain value in the cryptocurrency space. The phenomenon opened the door to multi-memes cryptocurrencies to gain a foothold and grab a look in the trending token list of the coin market cap. The latest meme coin captures investments attentions in Shiba Inu. The Shiba project originally gained a lot of donated more than $1 billion worth of Shiba to the Indian COVID-19 relief fund. $1 billion, that's big, everybody. While many analysts thought the project would just fade away, along with other meme coins that mooned and then crashed, Shiba Inu has instead emerged. The growing project completed its own swap interface. ShibaSwap launchers raises the gas cost. The excitement in the Shiba Inu community has gained ignition with the release of the ShibaSwap, a newly created Shiba interface token holders. So again, $1 billion the first day that the swap was basically around. So this is going to be big. This is going to make these prices just go. So what's the coin doing right now? Well, basically Shiba right here at Coin Market Cap, there's those 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's at 67.71. So basically 5 zeros, we're looking to get rid of one of these zeros and go into the 4s. Over here at the top 10, we always talk about the top 10. We're going to go all the way down to number 54 here. Right there, Shiba Inu. So it's the 54th coin. Right there is the 5 zeros and 68.24. It's actually down about 6% in the last 7 days. It's down about 1.28%. You can go ahead and click it, and that's where we were just at. Talking a little bit about Shiba Inu. Going over the top 10 here, we got Bitcoin at number 1. It's at 45,000. It's down about 12.87%. Again, we did see this coin at over 51,000 a few days ago. So if you're looking for a coin that may go back up, this coin has been as high as 60-some thousand. It's down 12%. Ethereum is at number 2 at 33.20. It's down 15% in the last 7 days. Cardano is at $2.44. It's down about 15% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is at number 4. It's down about 18%. So look at this. Again, our Solana is right there, the only one that's green. XRP is down 17% in the last 7 days. Solana at number 7 is up 12% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's at number 8. It's at over 8% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin is down a little bit. It's down to 24 cents, but it's down 22% in the last 7 days. So if you like that Dogecoin or the Shiba Inu, you want to definitely be looking at that. USD is at number 10. So a couple of mentionables. Bitcoin Cash is at number 17. Litecoin is at number 18. And Shiba Inu is at number 54 on CoinMarket. All right, being over here at the Shiba Inu website, it says Shiba Token, a decentralized meme token that has evolved into a vibrant ecosystem. Right here, how to buy it. Up at the top here, ShibaSwap. And this is what we were just talking about, the ShibaSwap. Shiba, Lease, Bone come together to create ShibaSwap, the next evolution of the DeFi platform. ShibaSwap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, bury, which is stake, swap tokens to gain returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform allows the Shiba Army to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as portfolio trackers to make navigating in crypto the world very simple to use. So right here we're at ShibaSwap, and then when it pulls up here, look at all this. So we got dig. There's tons of bones under the ground. Provide liquidity to earn your bone. And then right below the dig, it says swap. Tell your Shiba Inu to fetch your new tokens. Swap your tokens for other tokens. Swap the tokens. Fetch. Can you migrate your UNL, V2, LPs, or SLPs tokens to earn bones? For 2 weeks, tokens to get bonus burn the tokens. So you can fetch it. You can bury it. Shiba loves to bury what they find. Stake your tokens to gain returns. Your returns. Stake SSLPs. Claim your returns. Farm your tokens. So right here on the ShibaSwap, it talks about what the price is at the top, the leash, the bone, connect your wallet. So a lot going on with Shiba Inu. So, I mean, you got to the website, the coin, it's talking about how it's the Doge killer. I mean, come on now. The Shiba Inu is the Doge killer. I like both the coins. I mean, I really do. But number 54, when number 54 moves up to number 44, and it moves up to number 34, and it moves up to number 20, the Shiba Army, I mean, I'm reading all kinds of stuff here. I mean, this army's pretty big. Basically getting into NFTs. So definitely you want to be paying attention to Shiba Inu. We believe it's going to be 10x in here over the next year or so, paying attention to all the different things that are going on. All right. And don't forget to hit our like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Here in Frank's Crypto Corner, all our information is for educational purposes only. We definitely like to give everybody information on what's going on, but it's all for educational purposes only. Basically, still digging into Shiba Inu. All right, over here at the Twitter account. Just want to go a couple of the Shiba Army. So a couple things that are on here that I thought was pretty interesting. It says, my family has a beach resort cottage in the Philippines, and they're accepting Shiba as a form of payment for all their vacation stays on the rental rooms, the cottages. They're working on their second beach resort to accept as payment. Contact me if you want to book your next vacation. So right here we have, you can book your vacation using Shiba Inu cryptocurrency in the Philippines. Over here it says, I'm so excited to announce that we're throwing a virtual Shiba Inu party in 2 weeks featuring an amazing DJ set. Not only that, the set comes with NFTs and physical sculptures that will be stored in the location. TBA to be announced. Shiba Army, can you see it? All right, switching over here to AMP real quick. AMP still at 5 cents. Being traded here on, right here it says the Flex network enables the cryptocurrency collateral payments at a brick and mortar vendor. The network allows supporting cryptocurrencies like BTC, Ethereum, and others to be used in goods and services. So again, we've been talking about AMP here on the channel for the last week or so. Shiba Inu is definitely right there with it. So with that, you know, everybody's always looking for the next coin, the next Dogecoin that's going to go from below a penny to 10 cents and 20 cents. Everybody's looking for the next Ethereum. They're looking for the next Bitcoin. You know, what if I would have got Bitcoin 10 years ago? Could you imagine where we're at today? Well, Dogecoin is here. Elon Musk loves the Dogecoin. He talks about it all the time. We have it right here. There's our yellow pillow of the Dogecoin. So take a look at our Doge. Hey, Doge, how you doing? But when Shiba Inu is being told is the Doge killer, and when they're talking about how it's going to basically get more and more popular, I just like the fact that Doge is so high up there in the rankings in the top 10, and every time Shiba Inu is talked about, and you talk about the Dogecoin, I mean, I just kind of think that you basically get to tread on another awesome cryptocurrency to pull yourself up. So again, right now it's traded at number 54 on the top, currencies in the world. Top 100, it's number 54. We're going to keep tracking this and see if it can get to under 50. So don't forget to hit our like button, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit any bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here so you see our most recent video. And again, thanks for tuning in with Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow.